So, good morning. Next examples type 2, 5 marks no. Very important too. So, first question 2017 question करने के लिए 5 marks के solve by using Laplace transform of this differential equations. Right? So, by using procedure for differential equation on Laplace transform. So, solution. Write down given equation. Solution. This is given equal to number 3, then write its symbol of derivatives. So I can write y double dash plus 4y dash plus 4 of y, so that equal to raised to minus of t. Y of 0 can be written as f of 0 and f dash of 0 of t is 0 because of y is equal to f of x. Using this condition I can write it is this. Your next time step 2 anything. So this equation is y double dash of t is understood. So it is y dash of t is understood. Call this equation 1. Step 2 and procedure. This is Laplace apply Laplace y double dash of individual 4 is constant, take it outside. Laplace of y dash plus 4 of y. So that is equal to Laplace of e raised to minus of t. Laplace of y double dash of t, it is second order derivative. What is the formula? So that formula is s square f of s minus of s f of 0 minus of f dash of 0, isn't it? So this is the formula for second order derivative, you know the very well. Plus 4 times of, it is s of f of s, it is first order, minus of f of 0, right? Plus 4 Laplace 4 of Laplace of y. I can write Laplace of y means f of t. So because of y is equal to f of x, something function. So I can write Laplace of f of t is symbol of Laplace. I can write it is capital F of s using that condition. Laplace of y is again L of f of t. So L of f of t can be written as directly symbol f of s because of I can choose it is f of s. No problem. So that equal to Laplace of e raised to minus of at formula. So 1 divided by s plus a. Will minus it is plus 1 this time. So simplify this. So s square f of s minus of it is 0. F of 0 value the given. F of 0 value. So it is 0. Minus of f dash of 0 is also 0. So keep as it is. Plus 4 s into 4s into f of s minus f of 0 is again 0 plus 4 of f of s that equal to 1 divided by s plus 1, right? So f of s turns plus, so f of s I can put common, so s square, right, plus 4s, right, plus 4. So taking common this one, it is 0. This one I can write it is this, so no problem. So that equal to 1 divided by s plus 1. So therefore f of s is equal to 1 divided by s plus 1. So a square plus 2ab plus b square, it is a plus b whole square. I can write it is s plus 2 whole square. So I want f of s. So f of s can be written as this is Laplace of f of t. Right? ಇದಕ್ಕೆ ಏನು ಮಾಡಬೇಕು ಈಗ ಅಪ್ಲೈ L inverse ಲ್ಯಾಪ್ಲೇಸ್ ಮಾಡ್ಕೋಬೇಕು. So right? So apply inverse L inverse of Laplace of f of t. So L inverse of 1 divided by s plus 1 into s plus 2 whole square. Right? So call this equation 2. So by using, so there is no formula for directly. Formula is not directly. So by using partial fractions. So this direct formula ಬರೋದಿಲ್ಲ. So ಇದನ್ನು ಒಳಗೆ simplify ಮಾಡ್ಕೋಬೇಕು. Simplify ಮಾಡ್ಕೋಬೇಕಂದ್ರೆ by using partial fractions. By using partial fractions, so I can write like this 1 divided by s plus 1 into s plus 2 whole square. So by using partial fractions, so non-repeated root and repeated root, s plus 1 Simplify this. 1 is equal to a of s plus 2 whole square plus b of s plus 1 into s plus 2 plus c of s plus 1. So simplify this. 1 now I can write directly. You substitute. ಎರಡು ಮೆಥಡ್ ಬರ್ತವೆ a b c ವ್ಯಾಲ್ಯೂ ತೆಗಿಬೇಕು. ನಾನು ಸೆಕೆಂಡ್ ಮೆಥಡ್ ಮಾಡ್ತೀನಿ, ಈಜಿ ಆಗುತ್ತೆ. ಸೊ ಇದು ಕಂಪ್ಲೀಟ್ ಸ್ಕ್ವೇರ್ ಮಾಡ್ತೀನಿ. a square plus b square 4s plus 4, right, plus b of s square plus 2s plus s, it is plus 3s plus 2 plus c of s plus 1, right. So simplify this. As square plus 4s of a plus 4a plus b of s square plus 3s b plus 2b plus cs plus 1. This is another method for finding a b c value. You substitute ಮಾಡ್ಕೊತೀವಿ, ಅದನ್ನ ಮಾಡ್ಕೊತಿದ್ರೆ ಅದನ್ನ ಮಾಡ್ಕೊರಿ. ಸೊ ಈ ಮೆಥಡ್ ಫಾಲೋ ಮಾಡ್ತೀವಿ, ಈ ಮೆಥಡ್ ಫಾಲೋ ಮಾಡಿ, ಈಜಿ ಆಗುತ್ತೆ ಹೇಳೋದು. ಸೊ ಈಚ ಕಡೆ ಏನೈತಿ ಕಾನ್ಸ್ಟೆಂಟ್ ಅದ. ಯು ಶುಡ್ ಬ್ಯಾಲೆನ್ಸಿಂಗ್ ಆಫ್ ಕ್ವಾಡ್ರಾಟಿಕ್ ಈಕ್ವೇಷನ್ ಆಫ್ LHS ಪಾರ್ಟ್. ಸೊ 0 into s square plus 0 into s, so plus constant is there. Simplify ಮಾಡಿದ್ರೆ 1 ಬಂತು. ಸೊ s square ಮತ್ತೆ s square ಇಲ್ಲೆಲ್ಲ ಅಷ್ಟು ಕಾಮನ್ ತೆಗಿರಬಹುದು. ಸೊ a plus a plus b ಮತ್ತೆ s square ಇಲ್ಲೆಲ್ಲ ನೋಡ್ರಿ ಇಲ್ಲ. ಸೊ s square. ಸೊ ಇವಾಗ s ಇದನ್ನ ಕಾಮನ್ ತೆಗಿರಿ. ಸೊ it is 4a yes it is 4a. so this one, so it is constant. So this one, so this one 4a plus 3b plus c of s plus now constant purely 4a, it is a c 4a plus 2b, right, 2b is there plus c is there. So equating coefficients, so of s square, s and constant, so I can write a plus b is equal to 0 ಆಯಿತು. So next s coefficient 4a plus 3b plus c is equal to 0 ಆಯಿತು. Then 4a plus 2b plus c is equal to 1 ಆಯಿತು. Equating the coefficient of constant s square, s and constant, I can equating this. Now I can write a is equal to minus of b. L a ಕಾಣ್ತದಲ್ಲ ಅಲ್ಲಿ minus b ಹಾಕೋರಿ. So it is minus of 4b plus 3b plus c is equal to 0 minus b plus c is equal to 0, right. So I think it is b is equal to c ಆಯ್ತು. Therefore b is equal to c ಆಯ್ತು. 4b ಇದರೊಳಗೆ plus 3b ಕಳೆದ್ರೆ minus b ಉಳಿತಿ, minus b plus c ಅದನ್ನ ಹಚ್ಚಿಕಡೆ ಹಾಕೋರಿ. So b is equal to c ಆಯ್ತು. So it means that a ಇದಲ್ಲೇ minus b ಹಾಕೊಂತೀನಿ, minus of 4b plus 2b plus c is equal to 1. So minus of 2b plus c is equal to 1. So it means that, so b ಇದಲ್ಲೇ ಹಾಕೋತೀನಿ, c ಹಾಕೋತೀನಿ, minus of 2c plus c is equal to 1. So minus c is equal to 1. Therefore c is equal to minus 1. If c is equal to minus 1, what would be? B is equal to c, therefore b is also minus 1. And a is equal to n, a of minus 1. A is equal to minus b, so a is equal to 1. Putting a is equal to 1, b is equal to minus 1 and c is equal to 1. So in this equation 3 you will get, so 1 divided by, so it is substitute. Therefore equation 3 becomes 1, it is minus 1. So it is minus of 1. ಇದಕ್ಕೆ ಮಾಡ್ಕೋಬೇಕು ಈಗ ಇನ್ನೊಂದು ಸಪ್ಲೈ. So therefore above equation becomes L inverse of L of f of t is f of t. L inverse. So 1 divided by s plus 1 minus of 1 divided by s plus 2 minus of 1 divided by s plus 2 whole square. Apply individually of L inverse. A B C ವ್ಯಾಲ್ಯೂ ತೆಗೆದಿರಲ್ಲ, equation 3 ದ ಹಾಕೋರಿ, ಈ ವ್ಯಾಲ್ಯೂ ಅನ್ನು ಇದರ ತುಂಬಿಕೋರಿ. So L inverse of L is f of t ಬಂತು, that equal to L inverse. ಅಲ್ಲಿ ಸಬ್ಸ್ಟಿಟ್ಯೂಟ್ ಮಾಡಿ ಮುಗೀತಿದೆ. So ಫಾರ್ಮುಲಾ ಹಚ್ಚೋದು, L inverse of 1 divided by s plus 1 minus of L inverse of 1 divided by s plus 2 minus of L inverse of 1 divided by s plus 2 plus 1 plus 1. You can written as plus 1 plus 1. So that equal to e raised to minus t minus of e raised to minus of 2t minus of. So it is exactly exponential form. S power 1 is exponential or the math power n plus 1 expression. It is e raised to minus of 2t into t raised to n divided by n factorial. N value is 1, n is equal to 1, a is equal to minus 2. Simplify this. So it is e raised to minus t minus of e raised to minus of 2t minus of, it is taking common, 1 plus t. So f of t is equal to this. This is the answer, right? So solve many examples like this.